Today we are going to teach ourselves how to buy a cryptocurrency with our Pioneer, maybe dollar card or euro card or maybe the pounds card. Pioneer is the best payment for the freelancing tools. Maybe we use PayPal, we use Pioneer. I think in our country we have the efforts to get the cards here in Nigeria and some other parts of Africa and the rest of the world. So today I'm going to teach you how we can use the Pioneer card to buy a cryptocurrency on Binance. First of all, get a verified Binance account and verify it with your necessary documents. So let's go. You clicking on your Binance account, just click on your Binance account. After you see the home page of the Binance, you see P2P trading, you see this credit card. I've already set my Binance account to USDD when I'm buying. Just you can see credit/debit card. I click on it. You can see there's a lot of coin. You can choose to buy USDD. You can choose to buy BUSDD. You can choose any other coin, but now I'm choosing USDD and I'm using my Pioneer dollar card. I've already linked the card inside my Binance account. So I'm buying a coin of 100 USDD. They say the minimum is $15 and the maximum is $20,000. And you can see that 1 USDD is equal to $1. That's all. I press continue. You can see they already told me that me paying $100 now they have withdrawn at least maybe like $2.46 out of the money. There's the charge fee for that. I click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you see they say their transaction fee will be 2 USDD. So I will have 95 USDD in my wallet. I click on confirm. Let's see. You can see the pop-up shows direct to the checkout. Oh, this is the next step. Pioneer say I should verify mine. To verify if it is me. So to complete the purchase, just remember the number you use to verify your Pioneer account is in need now. It's either they call you or they text you. Me, I'm choosing texting. They will text me, they will send a message to me. After they send a message to me, they have sent a message to me. I click on submit. And your personal security passcode, you can check that on your Pioneer account. Or that you provide setting, you will see your personal security code. I already have it before, so I click on it. Wow, I just need to find it again. So I go back to it, click on it again. That's my personal passcode. I click on submit. After clicking on submit, let's see if the network allow me to buy, so we can see how it goes now. You can see my purchase has successfully complete with my card. You can see it's easy, it's fast. You can also use it to do P2P. Those of you doing Pioneer arbitrage, you can also use the P2P. Maybe you buy a phone and you can sell it on a large scale of amounts to eat some profit. Let us view my wallet now. You can see already I have the USDD I buy inside my Binance account. It's easy and it's fast. If you have any question, let me know under the comment section box. Thank you.